How to make YouTube Shorts in Clipchamp. So the first step is to simply go to clipchamp.com or simply open the app on your computer or phone, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on create a new video, and as you can see here we have our timeline. Now the next step is to import your media file, so I'm gonna go and import a video, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply click on this add to timeline button, and as you can see we have our video here. Now if you want, you can start adding text over it. So as you can see, you can add title, you can add plain text, you can basically use different templates, and you can also add transitions and other effects to your video. Now the most important thing about creating a YouTube short is the canvas resolution, everything. So you're gonna have to simply click on this button here. As you can see now, it's 16 by 9. So in order to make a YouTube short, is you're gonna have to select this on here, 9 by 16. So basically this will create us a short. So if you don't do that, it's not gonna be a short, and when you try to upload this on YouTube, it's gonna be a normal video. So after that, you're gonna have to resize it, and basically you can export the video and upload on YouTube Shorts. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.